Hi, I'm Van Senior, #1 Razorback fan, and I decided to do something a little different this time. I built a cigar box preamplifier. Okay, look at that, and she pretty. Look at that cigar box and everything. And I did a video showing you how I built it, and I will show you why I would even bother to build this and what purpose does it serve. So stay tuned.
This is Van Senior, #1 Razorback fan. I was reading this Making Poor Man's Guitars by Shane Spiel. I decided to make me a cigar box preamp. Ordered the parts kit from CB Giddy, but I had to supply my own cigar box and also my own input jack. Put some good old masking tape on their cigar box, and then I use a ruler and a pencil to draw out the pattern for the hole for the preamp. Then I use my trusty drill to drill some holes, and then I use my Dremel to cut it out. I then use that Dremel to see if I could get a good fit for my preamp. As you can see, I got it to fit finally. I had to get my trusty drill and had to drill some holes for the input and the output jack. And then I had to use my Dremel on the inside to widen the holes for the input and the output jack. There was a piezo that came with a kit, and so I had to take some wire cutters and clip off the end of it and separate them. And then I had to solder them to the input jack. My trusted drill, I drilled a hole for the preamp and for the input and the output jack, and then I screwed them into place. On the inside, I installed a wire holder to keep the wires from getting tangled up. That's how the finished cigar box preamp kit looks. Ain't she pretty?
You've seen the video. Now I'm going to demonstrate the reason for having a preamp. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use a cigar box ukulele. I'm going to use a CB Giddy amplifier, and I'm also going to use a preamp and show you why we need a preamp. Here's the demonstration. Now what I'm going to do, this ukulele has a piezo in it. So I'm going to play it without any amplification so you can see what it sounds like, okay? Here we go. Not very loud, is it? Now, let's go ahead and turn on this CB Giddy amplifier and see if we get some improvement. A little bit better, but doesn't have a whole lot of quality to the sound. So hold on a moment and let me hook the preamp and the amplifier up and let's see how she sounds with that, okay? Okay, I've got it all set up now. Got my ukulele with a piezo connected to the cigar box preamp. Got the preamp connected up to my CB Giddy amplifier. So let's see how she sounds now. as you can see, by adding a preamp, you're able to improve the quality of that sound that's generated by that piezo pickup. And also you can get more amplification by doing that. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.